सो भाई अपना एक टॉपिक रह गया था, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट।
आरबीटी ना।
अरे
तूने
भाई
लास्ट टेस्ट में तो बोला था बड़ा बाप। क्या बड़ा भाई या बड़ा बाप क्या
क्या
बोला था?
क्या
आरबीटी।
हाँ, भाई है, बड़ा भाई है, इज
बड़ा
लाइक
भाई सीबीटी का बड़ा भाई।
सीबीडी का बड़ा भाई
आरबीटी।
है, बिकॉज थोड़ा रैशनल लाइन पे ज्यादा रहता है ना वो।
हम्म।
ऐसा नहीं है, मतलब जस्ट सेइंग, जस्ट टर्मिंग इट, क्योंकि भाई अभी लोग ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीजें पकड़ते हैं।
या
सो या गोइंग फॉरवर्ड।
सो
पता।
दिस वाला थ्योरी फोकसेस मोर ऑन योर इरेशनल बिलीफ्स, राइट?
ओके।
सो क्या उसका नाम क्या था? अल्बर्ट एलिस।
अल्बर्ट
अल्बर्ट
एलिस।
एलिस, यस। उसका मेन थिंग क्या थिंग वाज दैट एवरीवन हैज a belief,
या
मतलब everyone has a irrational belief,
इरेशनल बिलीफ।
but your choice to believe it or not, that is the problem. If you often believe your irrational belief, that is where we have to work on. Because in every situation, if you have an irrational belief, that is fine, but
ओके।
you believing that irrational belief
Makes like
is,
that kind
that's
of
where the
takes
big,
a, yeah, that kind of
exactly,
takes a toll
yeah,
on you. Ki whether how much do you invest in that irrational belief rather
exactly,
than the rational one.
एग्जैक्टली। तो अगर एग्जाम के पहले यू फील लाइक भाई मैं इसमें आई एम नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड, आई मे फेल,
Okay.
बट देन यू टेल योरसेल्फ कि नो आई वाज एबल, मैंने
हाँ हाँ
पढ़ाई
हाँ।
किया है, आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट.
Okay.
सो फ्रॉम इरेशनल वी वेंट टू a
Rational.
little more rational
Rational.
belief, right? But if I say नहीं मैं फेल होऊंगा एंड आई विल फेल, मतलब पेपर आएगा लाइक आई नो दिस बट आई डोंट थिंक आई डू वेल, मतलब
Okay.
that's like you're staying in the irrational belief.
Acha, more or less like so basically the consequences that you think about before
Yeah,
you kind of doing it.
yeah.
Ki when like the thing is how and like how it's going to get fucked. Like
Hmm.
more or less कि भाई what are the angles
Hmm.
कि जैसे for an example कि if you are working on something,
Hmm.
there's a possibility the thing might just go boom and like it would be like really good. सब
Yeah.
लोग को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा.
Hmm.
You would be like appreciated for the work that you have done.
Yeah.
क्रेडिट तुझे मिलेंगे.
Hmm.
ये कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस बहुत कम लोगों के दिमाग में आते हैं, बट फर्स्ट दे वुड थिंक अबाउट कि भाई इसका फकअप कैसे होगा,
Hmm.
कि हाउ बैड इट कुड गेट फॉर
Yeah.
मी द
Yeah.
टाइम आई एम स्टैंडिंग आई एम डूइंग समथिंग.
Hmm.
जैसे फॉर एन एग्जांपल आई एम जस्ट गिविंग यू, ठीक है, कि my brother was prepping for a bodybuilding competition earlier.
Hmm.
So the time he started it, okay, it was really amazing. He was really into it.
Hmm.
But slowly it was like a first competition. So so naturally competing in bodybuilding, it's a whole different set of idea. I'm just
Yeah.
telling you. So again, उसमें कैसा होता है कि when you kind of start cutting down ना,
Hmm.
so there's a lot of muscle loss.
Hmm.
ऐसा नहीं कि बंदा steroids पे या ऐसा कुछ है, so that he'll look fuller.
Hmm.
So there's a lot of muscle loss. Water तो छोड़ रहा है, तेरी body और छोटी दिखती है.
Hmm.
So वो बात अलग है. The time you would walking on the stage, उसके पहले जब तू carb load वगैरह करेगा तो अलग दिखती है तेरी body.
Hmm.
But literally you won't believe उसके thoughts ने, the next morning when he woke up and the thoughts that he was having at that point of time, it was so difficult for him
Hmm.
to even step on the stage because he's like कि no I'm not looking good and
Hmm.
there could be a possibility कि मैं अपना खुद का मजाक बना दूं.
Hmm.
But bro, try and understand, there are people there were people in worse condition.
Yeah.
भाई लिटरली पानी भरा हुआ है बॉडी में, दे आर नॉट इवन लुकिंग क्लीन, दे आर नॉट इवन लुकिंग श्रेडेड. भाई लिटरली मतलब देयर वर डिफरेंट थिंग्स,
Yeah.
बट दे हैड दैट, they were like more focused on the rational one कि भाई ठीक है, this is my first competition, I'm here to
Exactly.
explore, I'm here to
Yeah.
give it a shot.
Yeah.
देखते कैसी जाती है चीजें and like let's go ahead,
Yeah.
let's go ahead.
Exactly. How we move from the irrational belief to the rational.
Yeah, no doubt.
So that is how, a normal person would function. But people who get stuck on the irrational thought, those are, the people often who need to go for counseling or therapy to work on that part. Because then they always get stuck in that negativity.
Bro, but कि जैसे तू बोलता है कि even if a person is a hardcore REBT practitioner,
Hmm.
so for people okay जिनको पता है कि okay fine, for me it is open. जैसे मैंने मेंशन किया था कि in the last video or the podcast I would say कि the person that I'm seeking therapy from, so she practices REBT on a last week.
Hmm.
और मैंने बोल दिया था कि after 2 or 3 sessions मैंने openly बोल दिया this shouldn't be done by the way.
Hmm.
this shouldn't be done. भाई भड़क जाते हैं psychologists भी, but I told her कि ma'am it's time for the REBT now. So at that point of time when I kind of came up, when she came up clean, no? So at that point of time I kind of had a lot of realization about things. Even for me, even I practice REBT भाई, क्योंकि उसमें एक humorous touch है. I feel that there's a, if you kind of are humorous, अगर वो है तुम में, so you can give it to give it in the entire process of it.
Yeah, yeah.
And there are people, मेरे को एक लगता भी है भाई कि humor kind of helps you to accept things
Hmm.
in much like in a much more softer manner. I would say that the acceptance build होता है ना कि with that humor
Hmm.
it really shapes you a lot.
Yeah.
मेरे को लगता है कि
Hmm.
तुम्हारा पर्सपेक्टिव भी अलग हो जाता है देखने का कि हाँ ठीक है हो रही है चीजें,
Hmm.
ठीक है भाई लग रही है अभी के लिए, let's try how to deal with it.
Hmm.
Yeah, like it's basically
And like you said, na humor. I've heard that there's this one technique that some practitioners use, you know. So your fear, what your fear is, like for example, your fear that you will not perform well in your presentation या exam जो भी है. So what they do is कि ठीक है, like let's try to make it the worst case
हाँ
scenario.
like
Let's try to mock it to a point where even you laugh about it.
that is best ना. So basically अगर तुम खुद के बारे में अगर इतना अगर बुरा देख सकते हो at the same, like
Yeah.
worst, what would be the worst that could happen?
Exactly.
अगर even and like when you kind of give that exposure to them, exposure is the best way
Hmm.
to kind of break the beliefs.
Yeah.
When you kind of expose them to certain, like in any sort of exposure,
Hmm.
it kind of helps you a lot.
Yeah.
So that is really important. I would feel that.
Yeah.
So again, coming forward, जैसे तूने बताया, it's more or less like shaping the irrational into rational, and there's a lot to it. So there's also emotion. So REBT, rational emotive behavioral therapy,
Hmm.
जो मतलब CBT के जिसको ऊपर जिसको नीचे जैसे रखना है वैसे रखो, बट आई पर्सनली फील इट्स अपर, लाइक थोड़ा बड़ा है क्योंकि एट द सेम टाइम हाँ जब मैं प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ इट्स मोर और लेस लाइक एन होलिस्टिक अप्रोच, एंड लाइक देयर आर पीपल हु प्रैक्टिस इट इन अ होलिस्टिक
Yeah,
अप्रोच इटसेल्फ. है उधर भी कंफर्ट है, उधर भी एम्पैथी है, उधर भी कंपैशन है,
Hmm.
सारी चीज़ है,
Hmm.
बट एक रैशनलिटी का फैक्टर जब ऐड ऑन हो जाता है ना, एंड इट इज़ नेसेसरी रहे क्योंकि मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम कुछ लाइक देयर आर फ्यू पीपल for it is important to break that. I was in a bubble, bro. We all were in a bubble. वो एक जो comfort zone रहता है, जो भी चीज़ है, we wanted things to be in a particular manner, but like since once you start working and once you know where you stand and what needs to be taken care of, so it like it really happens.
Yeah.
And like again like कि mostly ना REBT वगैरह जब practice करता हूँ, I have seen like कि it really helps to kind of take you through जब when you are deciding any sort of career path,
Hmm.
whether like if you are having certain set of relationship issues, because you never know ना भाई,
Yeah.
what if like जो flaws है वो तुझ में भी है,
Hmm.
तो उसे इग्नोर करके सिर्फ अगर तू दूसरे की अगर फ्लॉज देखने वाला है,
Hmm.
तो वो सारे इश्यूज भी होते हैं.
Yeah.
तो ये जो एक इरेशनल है थॉट, उसे रैशनली अगर तू एक्सेप्ट करेगा, सो इट बिकम्स much easier for you to move ahead and like grow as a person at the same time. That's what I
So this example that you used of partner, like in a relationship, जो एक मॉडल रहता है राइट इन REBT ABC करके.
maybe see.
So A is like activating event,
Yes.
B is the belief, C is
Right.
the consequence, right?
Consequences.
तो अगर ये एग्जांपल को हम उसमें ब्रेक डाउन करना है for our
Yeah,
viewers
yeah,
to
yeah. Please,
understand
please,
better.
please, please.
So A, activation event, you're in a relationship now, and you are the type of person who expects your partner to always answer the call, or always come for you when you call upon them. Right now, अभी एक बार you called them, they were not available, phone नहीं
ये
उठाया,
ऐसा कुछ सुनेला सुनेला क्यों लग रहा है?
phone नहीं उठाया, या he or she cancelled the plan on you
Yeah,
last minute, right?
yeah.
So this is the activation event.
Right.
Now your belief will be कि this person doesn't love me anymore. They're no longer interested in me. Maybe they found someone else. This is your irrational
Yeah.
beliefs that are coming in.
Consequences.
And consequences will be emotions is कि you're feeling anger, you're feeling sad, you're feeling lonely. And then the behavior part would be कि you may send a long message to that person कि you are the worst, this boyfriend slash girlfriend, how could you cancel on me last minute, blah 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 blah. Or they will ghost you, or they will
तू मेरे को ये दे रहा है ना, अभी मैं बताता हूँ कि मैं क्या हूँ.
exactly silent treatment, ghosting, all of this. So consequences में दो चीजें आते हैं, एक तो emotion आता है, एक behavior आता है, and दोनों like both come in that. So this is how ABC happens. Activation event होता है, फोन
Right.
नहीं उठाया, प्लान कैंसिल कर
Right.
दिया. फिर आता है बिलीफ
Belief.
कि he doesn't love me or she doesn't love me
Right.
anymore. And C आता है consequence कि अभी मैं भड़क जाऊंगा या जाऊंगी उस पे,
वो whatever it is.
and I am feeling sad, lonely, anger, all of this.
तो वही ना, तो that is kind of again जैसे beliefs are shaping your behavior.
Exactly.
Then that's how you going to act. This is like कि तुम्हारा एक personality portray हो रहा है at the same time, and it's in one way or another when you kind of start handling it, when you accept it.
Yeah.
और अगर if you feel okay, it needs to be taken care of, it needs to be changed, it needs to be positively changed
Yeah.
with a whole growth mindset,
Hmm.
you start working on it. Take
And-
help, talk to people,
Yeah.
understand, introspect. Self talk is much more
Yeah,
necessary. Yeah. Agar for an example, you're having this thought like, I'll be very open about it. People might feel what is. If you're having this thought, okay, you want to be, so bodybuilding is very close to my heart. I've seen people in that set of mind. इसलिए मैं बहुत openly बोल रहा हूँ कि if you're having this thought कि नहीं मैं दारू पीऊँगा, मैं smoke करूँगा, I'll do hell lot of shit out there, and at the same time हाँ मैं जिम जाऊँगा, मैं वर्कआउट करूँगा और मेरी abs क्यों नहीं आ रहे? Is it my genetics that are fucked up? No, bro. Try and understand what exactly you're doing at the same time. See, अगर तुम लोग का वो गोल नहीं है at the same time, if you are like just trying and saying कि okay I'm trying and doing every day, अगर तुम्हें दोनों चीजें अगर बैलेंस रखनी है, so have this acceptance. Don't have this irrational thought कि भाई नहीं ये हो जाएगा. And for me it is like कि I might come up very strong and very heavy on this, but like this is how it is.
Yeah.
And I'm sorry if I'm hurting anybody, but like this is what I believe.
Exactly.
So yeah.
And like you said, na, कि the main component that we need to focus on is the belief part. People often mistake कि जो A है activation
अच्छा.
event उस पे focus कर लेते हैं कि अच्छा उसने कॉल नहीं उठाया तो उसकी गलती होगी ना, उसने प्लान कैंसिल किया उसकी गलती होगी, but why did he do it or why
Talk,
did
no?
she do it? Yeah,
Talk.
before you talk and try to find out, only you have done all the B and C and everything. So then
Assumptions, bro. Assumptions.
like we spoke in the previous one, assumptions play a very big role. Misunderstandings create हो जाते हैं.
So I guess कहीं ना कहीं पे guys be open to that part as well जहाँ पे REBT practice हो रही है, because ठीक है like maybe it's not your cup of tea, it's fine, I can understand, but it kind of would like वो बहुत बड़ा impact play करता है, like it's like it impacts you and it makes you understand. थोड़ा बहुत difficult हो जाएगा कि यार like what is it, but try and understand, it's important.
Yeah, and I think that's it, man.
That's it.
We cannot explain this better in
Better.
like more simpler terms.
Yeah.
But yeah,
So yeah,
thank you
thank
guys.
you. Keep supporting.
Yes.